At the 11th Annual De Beers Forum 2022, it was an occasion to celebrate 75 years of the iconic tagline, "A diamond is forever." In the brand zone, I saw various innovative elements. The diamond journey from mind to finger, the diamond ecosystem of how diamonds do good, Building Forever 2030 Sustainability Goals, a virtual reality journey of the iconic De Beers advertising, Magic Door to see global De Beers operations, digital visual merchandising windows, and I collected some diamonds at the interactive gaming area. De Beers diamonds do good and truly are forever.